Hi.
Hey.
Oh, hey there.
Good morning. Oh my gosh, someone's in our kitchen. How are you doing?
I had Kat come into the kitchen because this morning I wanted to make her my favorite toned up vanilla protein smoothie.
I'm excited. I always love when Karena makes me treats. Okay, so when we lived together, she always did the cooking and the cleaning and everything, which was wonderful because I just felt like really just taken care of. So I'm excited for this.
I do love to cook though.
And you love to like serve someone something that you make, and you watch them as they take their first bite.
I watch you
how
eat.
is it?
Come on over.
It's very sweet. No, I love it and I miss it. So I'm excited that you're gonna make me a smoothie.
All right, I'll let you be in charge of putting the ingredients in the blender. So this is
I'm
one of my very favorite smoothies. I think like blueberries are something that I love to throw in a smoothie. It's probably the most used ingredient. I
You
like to use
love
it
blueberries.
with almond butter, or this one here. I wanted to put some greens in my smoothie, so you can.
A lot of greens.
It's a lot of greens, and you can sneak greens into your smoothie. Extra vitamins there. Oh yeah, don't worry.
It's
not.
Kid that's like,
Yeah.
This is
Oh, wait,
actually really good if you have like kids and you're trying to sneak some.
I said I was gonna let you pour stuff in, and I just jumped right ahead.
See, it's all right.
Blueberries, frozen blueberries. So I've got frozen blueberries and frozen bananas. So then you don't have to
These
do.
are like the little wild ones.
Yeah. So I was saying frozen blueberries, frozen bananas. I'll let you take that. Don't have to put the ice in. And then coconut. So it gives it this kind of tropical, for you, vibe. Going with the theme of coconut, you can do any kind of liquid. Almond milk, water.
Coconut milk.
This is coconut milk. So, I keep wanting to take your job. And then the magic ingredient, tone it up, protein. I'm using the vanilla protein. You can get this at Target, any Target, it's on your shelves. This is so delicious.
Smells good.
You can cook with it, make cookies, muffins.
There's only a few
brownies.
ingredients. It's amazing. It's
Give it a
clean.
little sniff, sniff. All right, so
It's non-GMO, gluten-free.
One
Scoop for me.
and one scoop for me. All right, so I will let you get over there and have the pleasure of blending. Oh, and I'll get glasses while you dance.
Oh yes, okay.
All right. Whew. Nice. Little bit for you.
Ooh, what a pretty color.
I know, it's beautiful. You never even know. There's like 2 cups of spinach in here.
Oh yeah.
Oops,
So-
made a mess. There you go. That's a good way to go.
Don't waste it.
All right. And then
So-
what do you do before
Oh yeah.
you taste it?
If you're serving this to like your boyfriend, husband, friend, kids, you don't even have to tell them that there's like so many greens in there.
Gotta put.
Flat lay. That's cute. Should have more blueberries, but it's okay.
Do you want me to sprinkle some?
Oh yeah. Or do we have? No, it's all right.
Don't want to mess up the marble.
Yeah, it's all right. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I'm like saying to smile. Like 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Smile. It's just like automatic. You did a really great job.
Good job.
Beautiful. All right.
Cheers.
I'm excited to try this.
So good.
I have blueberries in my teeth.
Yep, you got one right there.
Really? This is so perfect for a quick morning breakfast, on the go, out the door, afternoon snack, post-workout smoothie, anything. And as always, make one for a friend or even store it in the freezer for later.
You know what I've been,
What were you gonna say?
I've been making smoothies and putting them in my Tone It Up water bottle container.
I was just gonna say that because it stays cold for it. Do you do that in yoga training?
Yeah. So you can take your smoothie to work and then share it with your friends at work. Or
Yep.
yeah, I've been in yoga training and I'm gone all day on
Yes.
Saturday and Sunday. And yeah, and I still snack.
That's what I did. You have blueberries in your teeth too. If you use your toned up water bottle, things stay cool in it. You put your smoothie in it later and it's literally so smooth and frozen, like cold. Hours later, you wouldn't even know.
Magic.
It is magic. All right, girls, we'll see you later on
cheers.
Instagram.
Love you.
Love you. Thanks for my smoothie.
You're welcome.
This is like vanilla, creamy, blueberry,
Yeah.
delicious, coconut. Like post-workout, this would be exactly what I'm craving. Especially the coconut.
That's my favorite color of eyeliner.
The purple?
That
is a
and
trick.
electric blue.
If you use purple eyeliner, it makes hazel eyes
green
more green.
pop out.
When she wears it, everyone's always like, gosh, your eyes are so beautiful, like
So
a
if you have
tiger.
hazel green eyes, pop in that purple. This is not only a smoothie video, but a beauty video.
Yeah.
All right. Love ya.
She goes, love ya.